Here's the Pulse, Rubik's Cube Pulse. It's the mirrored Rubik's Cube where you can't really see the color until it lights up. This was done by the inventors at IDEO and the talented staff at Spin Master's East Coast Division. Let's take it apart. We'll take these screws off on each side and go from there. So this is not practice. This is the first time. I'm noticing now with you that there's only 3 sides that have the center cube or square removable. And one of these probably is how to get to the battery. And maybe all of them. Yep, there's one battery. Maybe I'll bet you there's a battery on each side. Yep, sure enough. Just remove these screws completely. And there's the other button cell. One thing when I'm in a hurry, a little tip, you start it out on the handle, finish it and make it fast with your fingers on the shaft. You'll get your screwing and unscrewing done a lot faster. So now we have to look in there and figure out how this completely disassembles. So we'll have to take that over to where the tools are. Okay, now it's actually pretty hard to get these batteries out. Oh, that one's gone forever because it fell on my shop floor. So you can only remove them one way. And now we're going to get to the point of no return here pretty soon. Okay, after tinkering with this for a while, it's not like the new ones that have a screw in the middle that you can take apart. It's like the ones in the 80s. You just take that corner one out. And then then you can make it fall apart. Just like the original ones. So I'm discovering this for the first time. I know there's going to be a circuit in there. But it's a highly reflective, like this is a very designed part right here. Like you could see all the reflector technology, the lenticular, very well done. You could see through there. All these kind of reflectors and stuff. And you could see through this one. That's the spring load that makes it really nice and snappy and kind of easy to, and you're going to end up with this kind of star just like you did on the old 80s one. So they just took that core and magically figured out how to wire the battery through this central core here and get the 3 batteries through there to the center sphere that has the circuit. And the circuit has different programs for gaming modes, and they used to have nothing in them. They can all be snapped back together and put back together, so I actually didn't have to ruin the cube. I could put it back together now. Well, and that's another look at taking apart Hit Toys at Sweet Spot Studio.